Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Khan Academy's new feature and track progress with reminders on iPhone. If you're learning on the go, here's how to make the most of it. First, update the Khan Academy app from the App Store so you have the latest features, and then open the app and sign in with your free Khan Academy account. On home screen, explore on the Learn tab. It now personalizes lesson based on your goals and recent activity. You'll see recommended practice sets, quizzes, and videos tailored just for you. To track your process, tap your profile icon, and then here you can see skill masters, badge earned, and course of completion percentage. You can even drill down into individual subjects to see which you're the strongest on. Now for reminders, go to settings and then look for notifications, and inside turn on learning reminders and choose how often you want a nudge, daily or weekly. These notifications pop up on your iPhone to keep you on track. Safety tip: if kids are using the Khan Academy, set up a child account under a parent account. This lets parent monitor progress while keeping account secure. Quick fix: if you don't see reminders, go to iPhone settings and then search for notifications, and then turn on notifications for the Khan Academy app, then restart the app. Subscribe for more quick fixes.